He's hooking his up.
So I took pictures of the most beautiful sunrise. You got a guard. I got my wife standing in front of a sign saying elevation.
We got 35 going twice. Well, you ready to let it go for 35? Come on, it's for the veterans here. So we got 35 going once, we got 35 going twice.
It's about a $250 value. It's for newer cars only, no street rods. They had an issue with one we did a while back. I'm sure Tom Perkins remembers that. Right, Tom? When they broke your window, doing the window tint. So it's for a modern car, okay? So we have two of them, so who wants to start the bid out for 25 bucks for a complete window tint on a car? $150 value for 50 bucks, come on. All right, we got 50. 55. This guy will probably go up to 100, so go 60. No, I'm just kidding. We got 55 going once. 60, we got 60 going once. We got 65 going once. You're supposed to be working up here. He's trying to get away. Hey, can you lift this up and hold it over your head? Let everybody see it.
VFW,
He's got 140. Want to do one for 145? 145. 150. 150 going once. 150 going twice. Sir, it's yours for $150.
Man, that's all you need.
834.
Another car.
47.
I know. Couldn't sell it, so you might as well buy it. Of course I will. You run the woody through?
1, 2, 3, 5.
Oh, they called that.
You promise not to hurt me? 984. 5. If you lose this time, you go home. 384. 35. I just want to let you know that we love you, huh? You can go home now. Appreciate you coming. Thank you very much for keep coming back every year. I'd like for you to come back next year.
Hoover Dam Lodge here, we actually got the pick on for an award. Number 84, Bob Dodge. It's going to be 49 on.
On behalf of Post 3848, I want to thank Hoover Dam Lodge for all they do for us. This is what? Now, 3 years? Our music, man. Please, front and center, get your buns up here. Thank you so much, Louie, for everything you do for us.